I think I found some, gang.
In the light bulb on
I think Moody has gave me another clue. Gang, at idle, she's adding over 20% fuel. But when I bring her RPMs up, that number drops. Gang, I'm not ready to blind my catalytic converter. First thing I want to know is why my fuel trims are doing this. Now I got an evap cluster sitting here with a lean code pending. And then there's this, gang. I found this capped off last time, and with what my scanner is showing me, I'm not gonna ignore it. You hear this? I need to find out what this does. Yes, sir. That's good. Those look good. No soot back there. That's good. That's good. That looks good. Now, nothing obvious, guy. P0441 telling me the purge flow isn't behaving the way the computer expects. So now I'm gonna check the purge side, fam, before I get to blaming expensive parts. You know what I'm saying? I think I found something, guys. Here's some cracks in them hoses right there. See them cracks?
Yes.
See that? Some cracks in the hoses.
On we go. Camera rolling. Woke up with a mission, had a whole plan made. Life lab back and sent me down another highway. Left the cut early, coffee in the cup. Said I was going one place, now I'm somewhere else. What up? Started at a detail shop, learning every trick, buffing paint, cleaning wheels, trying to make it stick. Then the car shows came every weekend on the move. Camera in my hand, trying to find another view. Celica GT, midnight blue paint. Didn't have a lot, but I did what others ain't. Showed up anyway,